Good morning, dear audience. Welcome you to another new podcast of ICR Research Complex for Northeastern Hilly Region, Umiam, Meghalaya. In today's podcast, we have Dr. Tazveena Rahman Bora with us, Senior Scientist Plant Pathology, ICR RCNEH, Umiam, Meghalaya. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the podcast. King chili crop is affected by various fungal diseases such as Cercospora leaf spot, Fusarium wilt, Phytophthora leaf blight, damping of disease, dieback, or anthracnose disease. But in today's podcast, we will be discussing about damping of disease. Before proceeding further, ma'am, I have a very basic question to ask that what do we mean by the fungal diseases?
Yeah, diseases caused by fungi are known as fungal diseases, and these are mostly seen in crops, like be it grown for food or fodder, flower crops, turf grass, as well as medicinal and aromatic plants, and the forest plants also.
Okay.
So, and the space, there are different group of fungi that attack the specific or different crop plants grown.
So, ma'am, my next question is that what are fungi and how do they affect the crops?
Yeah, fungi are eukaryotic organisms, so they cause disease on plants when they are associated with the plants for parasitic association to derive food for their own growth and development. And they may cause different type of symptoms like from discoloration, spots, blemishes, blights, scab, or like wilting and complete dying of the plant, and finally the death of the plant.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you mentioned about the ill effects of the fungi, so now our audience must be eager to know that how does it hamper the crop production and how does it hamper the farmer's income?
Yeah, like the type and extent of damage caused by the diseases incited by fungal pathogens, it depends on the weather conditions and the health status of the crop. So when the diseases can be of symptoms produced, or the damage can be of non-significance, or it may cause total ill loss for the farmer at times.
Okay. So, ma'am, as we discussed earlier about the various fungal diseases of king chili, and damping off was one of them. So, I want you to explain about the damping off disease in king chili.
Okay, damping off is a nursery disease.
Okay.
It is caused by two fungi, the Pythium species and the Rhizoctonia solani. Pythium species cause the disease in poorly drained nursery soils, whereas Rhizoctonia solani cause the disease in comparatively dry and sick soil. So this disease is characterized by poor seedling stand as well as reduced seed germination. In pre-emergence damping off, the seeds are disintegrated before they come out of the soil, and thus they cause poor seed germination, whereas post-emergence damping off develop once the seedlings have emerged out of the soil, and these are the disease affects the seedlings before it is lignified.
Okay. So, ma'am, that was informative. Now, I want you to explain to our audience about the symptoms of the damping of disease.
Yeah, all the diseases are identified by the symptoms they produce, and in case of damping off, the symptoms develop from the collar region with the development of water-soaked lesions, and gradually these water-soaked lesions become brown and they rot. So in the contrast, this virus, when Rhizoctonia solani affects the crop, it produces the hard stem with thin and hard stem, and this gives the wire stem symptom, and ultimately in both the cases the seedlings are toppled down and they causes patches or no seedlings emergence in the affected areas.
Because, ma'am, this disease sounds very concerning. So, what are the management practices you would like to recommend to our farmers for its control and management?
Yeah, basically to avoid all this type of particularly damping of diseases,
Yes,
we can advise the farmers to go for planting in the raised beds, and to avoid planting in poorly drained or wet soil.
Okay.
And then preferably they should go for selection of those seeds which are healthy and can give quick germination. As well as we can also treat the seeds with bioformulations, particularly with trichoderma species, or at the rate of 10 gram per kg of seeds. And also we can drench the soil with these bioformulations at the rate of 3 gram per liter of water. As well as another alternative is that they can also go for drenching the soil with Bordeaux mixture.
So, ma'am, we have discussed about all the important points, and thank you very much, ma'am, for your valuable information on the damping of disease of king chili. And I believe that all our audience, starting from the farmers to the academicians and all the stakeholders, must have found this podcast very helpful. See you again in another podcast. Until then, thank you.